welcome back to our class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, now I am going to teach you lesson number 1, matter, subject physics, class 6. So dear students, now I will teach you states of matter. So generally there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. For example, steel, it is solid; oil, it is liquid; and hydrogen gas, it is gas. And you know that water can exist in 3 states: ice, it is solid form; water, it is liquid form; and vapors, it is gaseous form. So dear students, now I will teach you the 3 properties which decides the state of substance. So these 3 properties are: first, intermolecular space; second, the force of attraction between the molecules, and it is called the intermolecular force of attraction; and the third property, movement of molecules. So students, in solid state, the intermolecular force of attraction is strong and the intermolecular space is negligible, and the molecules of solid vibrate at their own position. And students, now in liquid state, the intermolecular space is more than the molecules of solid. The force of attraction between the molecules is weak, so therefore the molecules can move freely within the limited space. Now in gaseous state, the intermolecular space is more in comparison of solid and liquid, and the intermolecular force of attraction is negligible, and the molecules of gases are free to move here and there. So these properties decide the states of the substance. Now students, I will teach you the molecular model of solid. So here you can see, in the molecular model of solid, the molecules have strong force of attraction and the space between the molecules is negligible. So we can say that the solids are rigid because their molecules are tightly and closely packed. Solids have definite shape and size. Solids cannot be flow. Solids have low thermal expansion. And students, solid cannot be compressed, and solid can be converted into wires and sheets. So generally these are the properties of the solid. Now I will teach you the molecular model of liquid. So here you can see the molecular model of liquid. You see that, students, the intermolecular space is more in comparison of solid. Students, you can observe that the intermolecular space between the molecules is more in comparison of solid, and the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules is weak and the molecules can move here and there with a limited space. Now students, the properties of liquids. Liquids have definite volume but not shape because they acquire the shape of the beaker or where you contain the liquid. Students, liquid can flow. The molecules of liquids, they have more intermolecular space, and the molecules of liquids are almost incompressible. Liquids are less rigid because the molecules have more space that you can see. Liquids have high thermal expansion, and students, the molecules of liquids are free to move within the limited space, and liquid exists pressure in all directions. These are the properties of liquid. Now students, I am going to teach you the molecular model of gases that you can see here. We observe that the molecules of gases are free to move here and there easily, and they have more intermolecular space. And students, the intermolecular force of attraction is negligible in the molecules of gases. Now I am going to teach you the properties of gases. Gases can easily flow. Gases are less rigid. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Gases are highly compressible. Gases are not rigid. They have high thermal expansion. Gases diffuse into another gases very easily. The force of attraction between the molecules of gases is negligible. Gases of molecules are free to move in random motion in zigzag path. So these are the properties of gases. So now students, I will teach you change of state. So we can change a solid state to liquid state. So the process of change of solid state to liquid state by absorbing the heat at a constant temperature, and this process is called melting. Now the change of liquid state to gaseous state. The process of change of liquid state to gaseous state by absorbing the heat at constant temperature, and this process is called vaporization or boiling. So I hope students you understood the three states of substance or three states of matter and their molecular model and change of the state. Thank you. Now students, let's see the examples of liquid: water, oil, milk, kerosene, petrol, diesel. Now we will talk the properties of liquid. We can say that liquid have definite volume and no shape. Here we can see that the definite volume of liquid. Students, liquid always flow from high level to low level, and on heating the liquid convert into gaseous form. Now students, some examples of solid: ice, wood, stone, chair, table, wall, brick. These are the examples of solid. Students, here we will see the properties of solid. The solids are very hard and rigid because the molecules of the solid are tightly closed and they are arranged in a specific pattern. Students, here we can see that there is no any molecular space between the molecules of solid, and solids are incompressible. And students, when we heat the solid, it converts into liquid form. Now students, we will see the properties of gases. Here nitrogen gas, helium gas, argon gas, oxygen gas, carbon dioxide gas. So gases are not rigid. Gases neither have a definite shape nor a definite volume. Since the intermolecular distance in gases is very large, gases can be compressed easily. In gases, the molecules have free random movement, so they can flow easily in all directions. So these are the properties that you understood, students.